crazy. Why is it so rough?
Here.
Oh, you're the bad glove charm?
No, it's fine.
Did you get a bite? 13 foot? Oh, I wish we could have had better conditions. The sheep. There you go. Keep the line tight. Reel down.
Oh yeah, our first sheep.
Yeah, it's a little tiny one. But at least you know they're here now. You're right under the boat.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks.
Didn't take you long.
Look at this guy. Bring him on my boat and he shows us up.
There we go. Feels like a grunt. Oh, it is a sheep. No, he's not that big. Oh, well, at least we can know we can probably get a dozen off this spot. There you go. Good sheep. Baby sheep. That thing is tiny. Now I gotta measure that one.
There you go. Here, give me that pole.
Catch another one.
Calm back.
Yeah, he's 11 3/4. Stop him! That's that big fish, dude.
Yeah, that's not a sheep.
Get him out. Get him out. Get, that was a cobia. How did he just fall off? It'd be nice if it was a sheep or a snapper. Feels like a big grunt. That is a sheep. They're here. I think we should anchor on it. This is the most action we've had. That's a good one. Big sheep. Look at that one. Look at the size of that sucker. Alright, we found them.
Nice one. Yeah, why can't I catch one like that?
Alright, we'll take this rod and drop it right there. I think I found the pocket of them. He hammered it right when it hit the bottom. Once you find one, you want to follow behind and try to find the school. That is a toad. Look at the size of that sucker. That looks like a sand perch. Yep, that tells you you're in the middle of nowhere. That's a whiting.
Yeah, it is.
I've never seen that before. Weird. How do they get a whiting out in the middle of the ocean? So you can tell when it's a sheepshead. See how dead weight that is?
Yeah. Got him. He got him.
I don't think we need to move, honestly. Just pitch it forward.
Okay.
Is it still grabbed on the bottom?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
You need to net.
It's like stuck.
Dude, this is a huge one. It's barely hooked too. That's a big one.
Oh yeah. There's a net. Get him, folks.
Sheep! Tiny one. But at least we know they're down there. Find his mama. Tiny one. Oh, it is a sheep. Tiny little sheeps. These are the smallest ones I've ever seen.
Whatever. That's better than not
Give me
catching
a shrimp.
Take a couple.
Well, this one's bigger than the one he just caught, so I don't think I have to measure this one.
Oh yeah.
The fish slayer over here. As long as you don't fall in. That's a good one, dude. That's a sheep run. I love how strong the big ones are. You got a good one. Look at this sucker run. You're gonna see what a 20-inch sheepshead looks like. Yeah, big one, big sheep. He's smaller than the one I caught.
He's smaller.
He's smaller. I'll pull him out. You want to bet?
That one?
It's smaller than the one I caught.
Oh, yeah, maybe the one you caught. Oh, you said the last one.
Oh, no, the one I caught earlier was the biggest still. Oh, it was already better than the last spot. This floor is so slippery.
That's a good one right there. Woo.
Sounds like a grouper. Yep.
Ooh.
Gag. Feels like a grunt. That's a tiny sheepshead. I left this in the rod holder and a sheepshead ate it. That's a good one. No. I was wondering where the jig head pole went. I thought you had.
He handed it to me in front of a couple.
So he stole your good pole. Oh yeah, true. There you go. That's a good one. Nice. Another keeper. Got one?
Oh yeah.
Fill in the box. It's a grunt. There you go.
Well, it might be a sheephead, but big one. Yeah, it's not a grouper.
Tank sheep. It is a grouper.
Is it?
Yeah, baby gag. Small gag. Well, that grunt's big enough to eat.
Yeah, we're gonna eat that.
Damn, he put a nice fight too.
No, it's small. I feel like a mango. It is a mango.
Hopefully it's big enough. It's almost 12.
No. Oh, he might be actually. He's bigger than the one you let go. Oh yeah, he's 12 and a half. We're adding fish to the cooler. I knew that didn't feel like a sheep. Yeah, I got a grunt again.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, snapper. They're gonna load the cooler now. I don't need the net. It's small.
There we go.
Tank. Get him out of the rock. He's running.
Yes.
He's running. Alright.
Come on, get the net.
I don't know, it's running weird.
He's coming unhooked.
Might be a big sheep. If it's a gag, he's just looking for a rock. It is a gag. Big one. Good job, dude. Wow, and you caught on that little St. Croix? Dang, that's a big fish.
Damn, man. Too bad.
That's a man behind him.
This rod's too small.
That's a group.
This rod's too small for this. There's only 20-pound leader on this pole. Oh god, that's a big fish for this rod. I think I beat him.
It's gotta be a group.
Hey, hey, pull at the back, pull at the back.
Yeah, I got one.
Dude, these are like 27-inch gags. Is he in the rock already? Grab the reel, reel down and grab the reel.
Where's the net?
Get him off the bottom. Don't let him in the rock.
It's gonna
That was a 30 incher. Look at the size of that gag.
Damn, that's
What?
a big.
It's good. It's good that we're letting them go. That's a stud.
I think this is like
A sheeper?
it's a sheep.
Sheep? No, it's a gag. Baby. Yeah, dang. Yeah, buddy. Stop him. You gotta grab the reel.
He's in the rock.
Keep him out of the rock.
You got him. You still got him.
Keep him out of the rock.
He's out.
Good job. Grab the reel if you have to. That's a man fit. He's breaking the spool. He's breaking his reel. You want me to give you a little tighten?
It's broke.
Let me tighten it for you.
It's broke.
I broke?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, did the fish fall off?
No, it's on.
Oh my god. Oh, this reel is shot.
I had. Oh!
You still got him.
He just came off.
Oh, so much for that.
Yes. Big daddy.
Little guy. Oh, that's a tiny one. Got the sinker caught up for nothing.
Well, now, how's that? You like
Look at that hook set right in the lip.
So you said a little.
Look at that.
I'm comfortable.
That's a keeper.
It's not that big.
Oh wow, it's a sheep on the grouper rod. He barely fought, and it's a big one.
Ooh, that is.
Looked like a baby on this pole.
Yeah.
I don't want him to get my toes.
That is a big sheep. I don't want him to get out of the boat.
That's a big one.
Yes, it is.
He dropped it. Son of a gun. I waited too long. Oh, he's got it.
Damn.
I was waiting for him to eat it. It's a big one.
Yeah.
You sure you want to move?
That's pissing me off now.
You weren't patient enough. I saw you jerking it around. You gotta keep it still. That's another good one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's where the school of Sheepshead are. Are you sure you want to move?
No.
Yeah, like a sheep. Yeah, nice one.
Oh yeah.
All right, David, you get a shot in here. Get your rod. Go right on up there. He's right.
Oh, I don't hear that very often. We're on a pile of fish. You can't even wait for us to anchor.
Nah, David, you know what I'm thinking.
We need to go forward more. But he's catching fish before we get a chance to anchor.
I know.
That's another sheepshead. There must be thousands of them down there. Good one. I think that looks like a snapper.
Mine.
It is a snapper. The drag was loose.
Yeah, too.
There's a sheep. Little.
Yeah, he's small.
There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, buddy. That's a big sheep's head. You want your pole back? That's a giant. Oh, don't be a grouper. Oh, it is a big sheep. Nice. I thought it was way bigger than that. It's not even that big. You and the grouper. Stop catching grouper. They're fun, aren't they? You don't catch shit like that inshore. That's what you come out here for. Come on, be a giant sheep. That's another gag. Grouper. Not nearly as big as the other ones. They're powerful. Was your bail open when you hit it?
No.
I It's just the line.
I let out like 20 more feet of line and then
Bam. Pinch the tail off and feed it through the tail. They don't steal it as much. When I do jig heads, you get better hookup when you just do that. And then feed it through the tail. It doesn't fall off the hook as easy. Good day. Turned out to be a nice one out here.